In the previous video, I demonstrated how you can tell whether a unison, fourth, fifth, or octave is perfect, augmented, or diminished by looking at the major key signature of the bottom note of the interval. But what happens if you get an interval starting on a note that doesn't have a major key signature? Here we have an interval starting on a G sharp. If we take a quick look at our circle of fifths, you'll see that there is no G sharp. To work out this interval, we can use a quick little trick. I'm going to turn my bottom note, G sharp, into a G natural by taking it down one semitone. Now, whatever I did to the bottom note needs to be done to the top note too. So here I will take the C natural and take it down one semitone, turning it into a C flat. Now I can simply follow the steps we explored in the previous video. My bottom note is now G, and the major key on this note contains F sharp, with all of the other notes being natural. Obviously C flat does not fit into this key signature, so I know that it is not a perfect fourth. Now I need to decide whether the top note is one semitone higher or lower than the note that would fit into the scale. In this case, that note would be C natural. So obviously a C flat would be one semitone lower, making this a diminished fourth. If G to C flat is a diminished fourth, and we take both of those notes up one semitone to a G sharp and a C natural, we will still have the exact same distance between the notes. So we can also call this interval a diminished fourth. You can use this little trick to help you whenever you encounter an interval that starts on a note without a major key signature.